Hi guys, this is Elaine with WTI. Are you looking to up your shirt and tie game? We love these stainless steel collar stays for men. We appreciate that they come in 4 different sizes, and the one that we use the most is the 2.35 one. That's the next to smallest. And as you can see, it is really going to help your collar stay straight. We like when the collar stay sticks out just a little bit and doesn't get buried into the collar. And it really does the job on our shirts. As you can see, all collars are not made equal, and so some are short and some are long. And these are really sturdy and strong. They will not rust. We've been in the wash and out, and they are fine. We've used them for a few months, and we love them. So calling all gentlemen out there who want to up their shirt and tie game, make sure you get these collar stays. They work wonderful for us. We highly recommend them, and that's just our point of view.